Hey there! Are you struggling with how to fix not being able to send money on Cash App? Don't worry, you're not alone. Cash App is one of the most convenient ways to send and receive money instantly. But sometimes technical hiccups can prevent transactions from going through. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to troubleshoot and fix issues with sending money on Cash App, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving the issue of not being able to send money on Cash App is to check your internet connection. Cash App requires a stable internet connection to process transactions. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data connection. Try turning on airplane mode and then off again to reset your mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider restarting your router or switching to mobile data to see if the problem resolves. Step 2. Ensure there are sufficient funds. Before sending money, verify that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. Navigate to the Cash App home screen and tap on the Balance tab to see your available funds. If your funds are insufficient, you can add money to your Cash App account or link a new funding source, such as a debit card or a bank account, to complete the transaction. Step 3. Update the Cash App. Running an outdated version of Cash App can sometimes lead to technical issues. Navigate to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for updates to the Cash App. Keeping your app updated ensures you have the latest features and fixes for any known bugs. Once updated, try sending the money again to see if the issue has been resolved. Step 4. Verify recipient details. Sometimes errors occur due to incorrect recipient details. Double check that you're entering the correct cash tag, phone number, or email address for the recipient. A simple typo can prevent transactions from being processed. Confirm with the recipient that their details are correct and active on the Cash App platform. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the problem persists despite trying the previous steps, it may be time to contact Cash App support. Open the Cash App and navigate to your profile. Tap on Support and then something else to find the option to contact support. Describe the issue in detail, including any error messages you've encountered. Cash App's customer service team can provide further assistance and investigate any account-related issues that may be preventing you from sending money. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues you encounter with sending money on Cash App. Whether it's checking your internet connection, ensuring sufficient funds, updating the app, verifying recipient details, or seeking help from Cash App support, these solutions cover all bases. Remember, staying vigilant about double-checking information and keeping your app updated can prevent these issues from arising in the future. Take these steps to heart and enjoy hassle-free money transfers with Cash App. Happy sending!